Alright everyone, good morning. Today is Thursday, April 10th, 2025 at 10:23. And today we have our day 1 outlook to look at today. Today we've got a slight risk that encompasses parts of Kentucky, a little bit of Illinois, Missouri, Arkansas, Tennessee, Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia, and just a little bit of North Carolina there under the slight risk. And then we got the surrounding marginal risk here. It extends from parts of Kentucky into Illinois, Indiana, over into Missouri, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, a little bit of Virginia, West Virginia, and Ohio, having the marginal risk as well. And it looks like a little bit of Tennessee also has that as well. So we'll see what happens with that. So some cities that are included today is Memphis, Nashville, Atlanta, Birmingham, and Huntsville under a slight, and Charlotte, St. Louis, Cincinnati, Louisville, and Lexington Fayette under a marginal. So anyway, here we go. Let's see what risks we've got today. No tornado risk, so that is good. We do not have a tornado risk today. Going on to today's wind risk, we've got Tennessee, Kentucky, Alabama, Georgia, Mississippi, Arkansas, Missouri, and a little bit of Illinois there, and Kentucky under the 5%, or 15%, excuse me, as well as a little bit of North Carolina there having the 15% as well. The marginal risk, that includes parts of Kentucky, Indiana, Illinois, Missouri, Arkansas, a little bit of Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Tennessee, Virginia, West Virginia, and Ohio, having the 5%. So, again, cities that might see damaging wind gusts today could be Memphis, Nashville, Atlanta, Birmingham, and Huntsville under a 15%, and Charlotte, St. Louis, Cincinnati, Louisville, and Lexington Fayette under a 5%. So for the 15% area, you could see gusty winds of 60 to 75 miles per hour possible. And for the 5%, you could just see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible. So please be mindful of wherever you may be, you have the threat of wind gusts today. Going to today's hail threat, we've got parts of Tennessee, a little bit of Kentucky, Illinois, Missouri, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, going into Georgia a little bit under the 15%. We got parts of Kentucky, Ohio, Illinois, Indiana, Missouri, a little bit of Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, going into a little bit of South Carolina, North Carolina, a little bit of Virginia, and Kentucky and Ohio under the 5%. So we have cities like Memphis, Atlanta, Birmingham, Huntsville, and Chattanooga under the 15% chance, and Nashville, St. Louis, Cincinnati, Louisville, and Lexington Fayette under the 5%. So for the 15%, we got a chance that we could see 1 to 3 inch hail possible in the 15% area. In the 5% area, you could just see 1 to 2 inch hail possible. So please be mindful wherever you may be. You may be under a hail threat today. So anyway, for today's summary, we have scattered, strong to severe thunderstorms are expected from portions of the lower Ohio Valley into the deep south this afternoon. Hail and wind are the primary threat or concerns. So there you go. I really do hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe. There's today's hail risk. There's today's wind risk. No tornado risk, so that is very good to see. And there's today's Day 1 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe. If there's any updates, I will be back on to update you on that. But for right now, that is going to be it for me. I will be back later with the Day 2 outlook video. But anyway, I will see you in the next video. Stay weather aware and stay safe.